Now cutting across to Sushant Singh Rajput's death probe that deepens. Heat now mounts over Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti. The CBI will issue summons to Rhea and her family members to join the ongoing probe. Rhea has said that she has not received any summons from the CBI as yet, but she added that as soon as she receives the summons, she and her family will be joining the probe promptly. Rhea and her family members have been named as the prime accused in the case. India Today has exclusively accessed the line of questioning here for Rhea Chakravarti. The CBI is all set to ask questions to Rhea, including what really led her to leave Sushant's house, what happened on the 8th of June before she left, and she'll also be questioned on her chats with Mahesh Bhatt, where in her WhatsApp messages with Mahesh Bhatt, she reveals that she has left the Bandra flat on her own. But Rhea Chakravarti in her statement earlier claimed that Sushant asked her to leave because his sister was coming over on the 8th of June. All these questions will be asked to Rhea Chakravarti in a little while. Rhea has said that she's going to promptly join in the probe when she gets her summons. Munish joining us live for more details on this. Munish, we've got some glimpses of the line of questioning on what questions will be asked to Rhea Chakravarti and family. Also, we heard from her security guard that she is not in her house, but somehow we've managed to hear from her when India Today has reached out to her, where she says that she's not yet received the summons, and the moment she receives it, she and her family will be promptly attending and recording their statements.
Yeah, well, Nabila, questionnaire has been prepared by the Central Bureau of Investigation. What's important in the questionnaire is that this questionnaire was prepared after questioning all these three people, Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj, and the other person, Dipesh Sawant. Now, what CBI maintains at this point of time is that after recording the statement thoroughly, then only they will summon Rhea Chakravarti. Maybe in few hours from now, Rhea Chakravarti can be summoned by the Central Bureau of Investigation for questioning. But also we have been given to understand is that this questioning will not be only for once, but also there may be several rounds of questioning, because there are several things which is coming before the Central Bureau of Investigation and they want to question her thoroughly. Now, she is also a prime accused in the case. Until now, the questioning by the Mumbai police was as a witness. Enforcement Directorate questioned her on the financial angle, but this will be the first criminal, investigation by the by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and that is why this is going to be very important. As far as Rhea Chakravarti is concerned, through her lawyer, she is maintaining that she will cooperate with the investigation. But till now, when she was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate, ED claims that she was not very cooperative with the investigation. But now, because there is a criminal investigation, we are expecting that, most likely today evening or by afternoon, the summons will be issued and she will be questioned very soon.
Right, Munish, do stay with us. Now we're cutting across to Munish Pandey reporting live from Mumbai. Munish, we heard that the CBI has said categorically that yes, it can be suicide. A person can hang himself between the space between the roof as well as the bed, and Sushant was found hanging. Now they're going to establish whether this was Sushant hung himself or he was made unconscious and someone hung him there. That is to be established, but all that speculation initially about it's impossible to hang within that within the small space of barely 8 feet and 1 inch. It's not possible. There were a lot of speculative theories that did the rounds, which the CBI has now put to rest, saying it is possible to hang within that space. Take us through the details and the measurements that the CBI has put forth here.
Yeah, well, Nabila, this is going to be very crucial for the investigation, because what CBI maintains that their first priority is to find out whether it's a case of suicide or whether it's a case of murder. The third angle which the CBI is probing, whether it was a staged hanging or not. But now, according to our colleague Shams, the CBI's initial findings indicates that there was a possibility that a person can hang himself. But again, the question is going to be whether it was murder or not, and that is why the forensic experts are still inside. They are going through the recreation which was videotaped, and by frame and frame they are checking that what possibly could have happened that particular day. Also, the photo analysis team of the CBI is also going through the crime scene, because there are many evidence in the case which has been tampered, so they don't have much to rely on apart from the photographs and the recreation which has been conducted by them. So CBI at this point of time maintains that within few hours they will conclude at least that whether suicide was possible, and if possible, in what manner. also, they have also they were also looking for some possible evidence inside the building. We have been given to understand is that the register maintained by the security guard out of the building, that has been seized by the CBI. So again, they will go through every record and then only they will finally conclude that whether it was a murder or a suicide, or if it was a suicide, was it a state suicide, or Sushant, as per the allegations, hanged himself.
Munish, thank you very much. Do stay with us. We're going to continue tracking this.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.